Hi, we're out here in the Trick Tools fab shop, and we're working on a handrail for our showroom inside here, and I wanted to give you guys a little demo on the Fein RS 1270 pipe polisher. What makes this tool unique is the spring-loaded arm here that actually moves as the pressure is applied to the belt, and what that does is it allows the belt to actually wrap around the part as you're sanding, which creates a more uniform finish without any gouging from any other traditional polishing methods. You may be asking yourself, what's the need for a tool like this? And if you look closely here at our handrail that we're bending, you can see the little imperfections and tooling marks that are created by the bending process. And what the Fein pipe polisher allows you to do is to quickly and easily take out any of those imperfections on the surface and provide that final finish to the component that you're working on. Let me show you how it works. You still may be a little unsure by what looks like a fancy electric grinder that has a nice attachment on it. But what makes this unit different is the fact that this electric motor was built to handle the necessary power that you may need in a mobile handheld pipe polisher. And also this one is variable speed. There's a knob here on the back that's easily adjustable for whatever different applications that you're working on. Included in the kit is the pipe polisher itself. You get 2 different grits of the wide belts, you get 2 different grits of the narrow belts, and then also these felt polishing belts. And it's all easily transported in this high quality carrying case. For more information, you can give us a call or visit us on the web at Trick-Tools.com.